So you guys, now you have learned how to make the sea creatures. How about we make a draft of the life of the sea? So I'm just going to use a pencil and let's create the surface of the water. Let's give some life for under the water. I'm using a pencil because I'm making a draft. A draft is when you plan your drawing, you create a basic sketch like what I'm doing right now using a pencil. So in case if I made a mistake, I can erase them using my eraser. Therefore, therefore the artwork won't be too messy because of the mistakes of the lines that I've made. I can erase the unneeded lines that I've made, and also we can compose it better in case if mistake. So anyway, I have my composition now. I have the fish, the seahorse, even the shark, turtle, and other fish. I also give. Now it's the time to color. So I'm just going to color the base of the sea and then the sea plants. I'm sure you guys can create a better and a more colorful image than what I made in this video. I'm just going to color the sea creatures. Don't worry about the lines that I've that being covered by the color, because we're going to add an outline after the coloring is done. So I'm also using a crayon for my coloring tool, and just give a dark blue for the whale. And there we have our sea creatures colored. I'm just going to color up the seawater with blue on the top, and I'm just going to wipe it with a tissue or a cotton to make a simple gradation from the top to the bottom and also the bottom of the sea. I'm just coloring it with a dark blue color, and I'm also going to rub it with a tissue so it gives a kind of gradation for our artworks. The reason why I'm doing that because I want the sea creatures to be emphasized by the color white, but I also want them all to be colored. And after that's done, let's just give it an outline of our sea creatures to emphasize the creatures of the sea that we are making. So I'm just going to give a quick outline using a marker. And there we go. Our image is finished. Now you guys, I'm sure you guys can make even better artwork than the one that I've made here in this video. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you again next time.